So, Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2 will officially be making its long-awaited return, and the studio just provided us with a trailer, and a new visual image, and of course, a release date. So, first of all, let's start off with the visual image, which showcases Tsuyoshi Makuta eating what looks like raw fish and vegetable rice bowl. So, after sending this image through a translator, this section on the right says, "The delicious journey begins again," and obviously, this section is the title of the series. So pretty much just your standard visual image, and this could also likely be the official Season 2 cover, although the only thing missing is one of the other most important characters, Fell. So moving on to the trailer, we can see that the animation looks pretty good, just like the first season, which was animated by MAPPA, which we all know is one of the best animation studios out there. So we also get to see Dora, who is also commonly referred to as Dora-chan, and is Mukoda's third familiar, who is a pixie dragon, and in this world is a rare species of dragon, and isn't very well known to adventurers except by long-lived races like elves and dwarves. So Ayumu Murasa will be voicing this character. He is also known for his role as Luck Voltea in Black Clover. So the same voice actors from Season 1 will be coming back for Season 2. So at the end of the trailer, we see the release date for the next season. So Season 2 will be released in October of this year, and if the studio follows the same pattern as almost every other release, we should see this series before the 10th of October, and this is also generally when new anime air for the new fall season of anime. So while I was editing this video, I came across another visual image that was released not long after the confirmation trailer. So the description says a new visual image of Fell was revealed, and his eyes sparkle at the sight of the giant steak in front of him. The TV anime will start broadcasting on TV Tokyo from October 2025. Okay, so we also got this image on Crunchyroll, so the series will also stream on there when it premieres in October. So that's pretty much everything we got, and if you found this info insightful, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.